and we actually expect all of them to share what they have learned to their school. That's the sports teachers that we have, and also the sports coaches to share what they have learned with their community. So it's something that we want to have everyone in it, like sports for all and sports for environment for all.
The participants they learned a lot, and now they not stop learning. They try to improve, to get back to your classes or to their teams, and try to improve every day. Don't stop, don't quit. Yeah, we hope that we can come back again here because the partnership with NABU and the CCV is very good. Also the program Sports for Development, I think it's really important here for the region, for the people, for the coaches, and also for teachers. And yeah, for me or some colleagues, I think we were looking forward to come back again.